Mayor.
Ayun po, thank you po, Mayor.
Mayor, last please. Last, this is about health.
Yes.
Please, Mayor. Please. Please, Mayor, can you see me? Can you see me? I'm no student, I'm no professor. Out of respect po, I'm a nurse from LBDH. Lahat po tayo, meron po tayong mga kapatid, mga anak na nurses, daughters, and ano. And alam naman po natin na konti na lang po kaming natitira dito sa Pilipinas because most of us are migrating. And besides, this is a forum on governance. Lahat-lahat naman po, concern po nating lahat ang health. So gusto ko lang po malaman, wala naman po kayong nabanggit tungkol po sa health na platform ninyo and also kay Senator Cayetano. Ano po, what can you give us mga health practitioners to be able na makapag-serve pa po kami sa public para naman maalagaan pa po namin sila ng maayos. So once again, Mayor, on behalf of nurses, ako po si Catherine Barleta from Los Baños Doctors Hospital, isa pong tertiary hospital dito sa Los Baños. I hope you can answer my question.
Yes.
Kaloka.
Ano raw yung programa niyo, sir, sa health sector?
Well, ganito yan. Sa health, since I could not build as fast as maybe during the 6 years, ang proposal ko doon sa convention ng mga doctor is this: you have to restore the ward, charity ward facility. Pero hindi talaga because it should be reserved for the government, city or provincial. You have to open something like a 20-bed facility. At kung sabihin ng city officers, kailangan ito maoperahan, pasok ka doon, and I will require all hospitals. The hospital for the rich or for the poor, they have to provide that ward. And you go to the hospital, have your operation, and I will pay. Because I have this thought, yung lahat ng kita ng PAGCOR will be the trust fund of that. Para walang delikad. Kasi sabihin nila walang bayad, matagal ang gobyerno, ang pera na ibibigay ko dyan, manggaling sa PAGCOR. Yung kinikita ng PAGCOR, it runs about 30 billion. Dyan ko ilagay, purposely to pay. Bayad. Bayad agad ako. I will pay. So, kung kailangan ng kidney operation, heart, bayad ako.